I just saw the Knight of Wands energy to the Sun card. It looks like you're happy right here. You know, parang yung everyday mong routine has something to do with not so energetic, but you are happy sa yung ginagawa everyday, no? Sa yung pwedeng work everyday or sa iyo ritong mga ginagawa araw-araw, no? I'm seeing you na okay ka sa mga ginagawa mo. You know, whether that's work-related things or whether it's your life in general, you're okay here. But we have here the Tower now. I do see that there is something here na posibleng ikagulat mo or this is something here no, na parang shocking sa inyo. Pero sa nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, ito ay klase ng parang, oh, teka lang. Parang ganun yung energy. No? Parang, oh, teka lang. Yan, no? Parang, wait, there's something else, you know. So I think you will learn something from this with the spiritual lesson given by the hermit. But don't worry because your angels and guides no ay nandiyan din to protect you. Kasi nakikita ko ritong mababother kayo. So let us see. What is this all about? And all together now, alamin natin. Ang jahe pa naman pag bothered. Diba? Hmm. Okay. So, pinag-iingat kayo rito mga babes ha. Mukhang nakikita ko dito merong natitipuhan dito sa inyo, no? Like, tipo niya kayo rito, no? Yan. So, let me lay all the energies first sa ating table before we start talking. But this feels like a personal reading here for someone. Pwedeng may mga viewers na ito yung inyong situations talaga, no? Pwedeng right at this very moment, no? Like this is ongoing, on process, no? This is something here that's happening right in the present moment, no? But you do not know about this because the moon is very strong right here, very evident, no? Pero mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo. Okay, yeah, definitely. Yeah. Okay. This is how you should deal. Actually, this is how you must deal with this. So, hi and hello there, collective individuals. I'm Yan. Welcome here, new viewers at sa mga returning kong tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta and love for me. And yes, kung hindi nyo pa knows, mayroon pa po tayong main channel. Ang link ay inilagay ko sa description box ng reading na ito. Kaya naman, if interested ka na tumambay din with our main channel, yan, no? Pwede ka doon na makapanood rin ng ating daily collective readings. Yes, everyday din po tayo nag-upload ng collective readings for all signs. So, no matter what your zodiac sign is, pwede din po kayong tumambay, manood at makinig doon. Basta just take only what resonates. And aside from that, if you're looking for a reading per zodiac sign ninyo or kung meron kayong zodiac sign na gustong tingnan na reading, ginagawa din natin yun sa main channel but it is being uploaded every week, no? Weekly natin yun ginagawa. And wala po tayong gender dito, tandaan nyo yan, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong i-flip yung mga roles if you want, no, since this is general reading. And syempre, at the end of the day, no, you have your free will with you na pwede nyo gamitin anytime, anywhere. So to speak, pwedeng ito ay personal reading ninyo. At timeless naman ang ating mga energy readings, lahat ng mga energy readings, but here, I'm picking up the present moment, like this is something here ongoing without any consent mo. Like with the moon card energy, you do not know about this, you're clueless about this, like, no. Okay? Wala kayong kaalam-alam dito. We have here this 8 of coins energy to the 8 of wands right here. Okay? And we also have here, no, the moon is very, very strong and you're dealing with someone here appearing as the Seven of Swords to the Devilish energy, Ace of Wands energy. So, yung work niyo ba, mga mahal, has something to do with field work? Madalas kayong nasa labas instead nasa loob ng office. You could be traveling a lot. You could be, laging, alam mo yun, no, talking, communicating here with other people aside from emails, no? And you're connecting right here with potential clients or customers. So I do not know what kind of work, kasi iba-iba naman yung work, na maraming work kung saan nakikipag-connect kayo no, sa mga clients na potential, mga buyers na potential, or pwede kasi na kayo, yung inyo ritong designation is yun, no? Yung kayo yung mismong front, no, or nakikipag-communicate, nakikipag-usap, no. Pwedeng kayo ay working in a company, no, and then this is you offering other companies, no, ng mga business proposals ng inyo ritong pinagtatrabahuhang kumpanya, whether that's services, whether that's products, items, no? So, whatever. Whether you have your own business right here or whether you're working here in a company, I do see na madalas kayo ritong kumukonect, no? Sa iba't ibang mga tao. Okay? May mga contacts kayo with other companies or with other people right here, no? And I do see with this work-related things you're enjoying. This is the type of job na masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. This is the type of job na sanay ka sa ginagawa mo at alam mo yung ginagawa mo, no? And this is purely job here for you. This is purong pagtatrabaho lang here for you. Ginagawa mo ito, not just you're enjoying, but also, this is something here na pinagkakakitaan mo. Okay? Nagiging solusyon at nagpupunan ng mga needs mo, pagkain, pangangailangan, bayad sa kuryente, utilities, tubig, lahat-lahat na. No? Okay? Yung iba sa inyo dito, nakita ko na posibleng meron na kayo ditong anak, pero yung iba wala. Yan, no? Pwede rin yung iba sa inyo, mga babes, no? Is posibleng meron kayong boyfriend, pero yung iba may mga asawa na din dito. Kaya naman, just take how this resonates. Okay? So, this is something here, okay? A job for you that you love. Because more likely, okay, this is something here na nagbibigay ng pera sa iyo. Pantustos ng lahat ng mga pangailangan at mga bagay na gusto mo or wants mo na bilhin. So nakikita ko dito that this is something here that you enjoy, but there's something here that you do not know. And this is what is that something, no, na parang binibigyan kayo ng warning dito. Yung mga nakakausap mo ay may mga pera. Yung mga I don't know, baka meron ditong parang mga, siguro, kayo yung nasa sales department, okay? Pwedeng broker kayo. Alam niyo yung parang you're selling a house, you're selling a services right here or whatever, mga ganun, no? So, you're talking, more likely, yung nakikita ko nakakausap mo with the Ten of Coins energy right here, no? Email and personal, no? With the Seven of Cups with the Ten of Coins right here, no? May mga kaya yan. May mga pera, yung mga nakakausap mo, na mga potensyal na mga tao. Okay? Those are the connections na pwedeng connection na ng company pinagtatrabahuhan mo. No? And since ikaw yung nakatoka dyan sa yung designation, yun yung trabaho mo, okay? Ikaw yung parang merong privilege, no, to contact those people. At yung iba may mga kaya, may pera. You know, may pera yung mga yan. So, nakita ko dito, no, that this is you with the Page of Pentacles energy, no, with a lot of passion, no. You are doing your job really well, no. Nakita ko rito na before mo sila rito na parang kausapin, pinaghahandaan mo talaga yung mga reports mo, pinaghahandaan mo dito lahat ng mga sasabihin mo sa kanya. You are really prepared, no. Ano ba rito yung mga parang mga perks or parang may freebies ba rito or whatever, no. So, you're really doing your job right here, no. So, nagagawa mo ng maayos dito yung trabaho mo, no. And I do see that this is you, okay. Meron ka rito na makaka-encounter na isa sa mga potential na mga buyers na yan or kliyente ng kumpanya ninyo, no, or kliyente mo dito, no, na posibleng gusto mo rito na maging, alam mo na, no, what's this? Makasosyo mo rito or whatever, no. So, nakita ko rito na isa sa mga yan ay matitipuhan ka. Like, magkakaroon siya dito ng desire sa inyo. And for some reason, this is a new potential client. a new potential investor, a new potential person, like bago, like hindi mo pa ito nakausap before, or pwedeng matagal na dyan sa listahan ninyo sa kumpanya, pero this is the first time that you're gonna meet this person right here, and this person here will definitely have eyes for you. At bakit naman naging warning yun, Miss Yan? Because we have here the devilish energy. We also have here the 10 of coins to the 8 of swords energy. What does that mean, Miss Yan? Evidently, this person right here is someone na merong itatago sa'yo. And this is someone here, let's get straight to the point. Pamilyado po siyang tao. Pero, pipilitin niya or gagawa siya ng paraan para mapalapit sa'yo without telling you the truth that he or she is already a family man or a family woman. This person is so interested with you to the point na i-hide niya rito yung truth that he or she is already a pamilyado right here. So in short, let me just get straight to the point. Gagawin ka lang nitong mistress, gagawin ka lang nitong kabit. Yan, no? So, nakikita ko dito, halo-halo na kasi kayo dito. May mga single energies dito. Yung iba naman single, walang anak. Yung iba naman single, pero may boyfriend, girlfriend, in relationship kayo. Yung iba naman sa inyo married. So, ano man yung categories nyo doon, this person will still pursue you. May asawa ka man o may boyfriend ka rito, no, or whatever, ipupurso ka niya rito. But this person will hide the truth that he or she is already a family man or a family woman right here. Because he or she is so interested sa inyo to the point that you are like a candy sa kanyang mga mata. Okay? Ano ba yung candy? Sweet, matamis, no? So this person right here finds it really amusing to look at you, to see your face while you're talking about your company's products, the perks, the availabilities, and other things, no, na magbe-benefit siya from that. But you know, he or she is not really paying attention to what you're saying because he or she is being tantalized sa'yo rito, na-amuse siya sa'yo. In short, nagagandahan siya rito na parang feeling niya, no? Isang anghel yung nagsasalita, no? So, ganun yung tingin niya rito sa'yo. The moment you laid eyes with this person here and you're excited to talk about the company's benefits na makukuha niya from you guys, okay? This is you. You do not know. Akala mo lang nakikinig siya sa'yo dito. But this person right here is, alam mo yun, mga babes, no? Nagkakaroon siya rito ng crush sa inyo the first time na makita niya kayo rito, no? But this person right here, no, good thing, pinakita na sa atin rito ng divine, no, ang kanya rito na hindi magandang plano. This is an unhealthy relationship right here. This person here will make pilit here with you guys, no, yung connection na ito. So, nakikita ko rito, no, na, okay, you might be prepared, no, dito sa ganitong klase ng pakikipag-deal with these people because of your job or because of your work, no? Because you love earning money, no? And this is the job that you want, but you do not want this type of job to be like this. So, spirits are saying right here with the Four of Cups energy, you're dealing with the devil, no? At hindi ito magandang klase ng connection. This is an unhealthy connection. Eh? I do see you as a professional individual, kaya naman maintain mo lang yan, mga mahal. No? So, nakita ko rito na mararamdaman mo yan, no? Because this person here will pursue you. Hindi ka naman manhid at mabilis ka makapick up. So, sa mga susunod na mga encounters mo sa kanya, you will definitely notice that he or she is really totally interested with you. So, definitely nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na kayo ito, na parang medyo ma-awkward din kayo sa kanya. You will feel, no, lalo na yung mga may relationship sa inyo at married na, no. Okay? Kahit single, yung iba sa inyo, no, you will feel that kind of awkwardness, no, and that is his or her energy because he or she is hiding something, no, at nararamdaman niyo ng inyong intuition, but you do not know what is that, okay, talaga. So, nakikita ko rito, alam na alam mo at prepared ka rito sa mga pwede niyang itanong regarding your business here or regarding your work right here, no, na in-offer ng company pinagtatrabahuhan mo, no? Pero dito sa sitwasyon na to, spirits are saying Three of Coins energy, Page of Swords right here, and the Seven of coins dito sa taong ito, no? Hindi lang dito yung background niya, no, as a potential buyer or as a potential client yung kailangan mong alamin, kundi kailangan mo rin ditong alamin, mga babes, no, kung ano yung kanya ritong background as a person, lalo na kapag nagsimula na siyang gumalaw dito bilang hindi isang kliyente, no, kundi bilang isang taong posibleng manligaw at magkagusto sa'yo. Because here, evidently, the first time that this person here, no, makikita ka, ma-amuse na siya agad sa'yo. But this person's intention is really standing out that this person here, hindi ka nito pananagutan. May asawa ito, hindi niya iiwan yun. Yun yung sinasabi rito. So, spirits are saying, Four of Cups energy, maintain that professionalism and listen to your intuition. If you feel something is off, then find out what is that. Okay? Because that will save you. So, nakikita ko dito, distance yourself from this person because this is not the type of person na paninindigan niya kayo. Hindi niya po iiwan dito yung partner niya at the end of the road, no, just to be with you. This person right here, no, yes, na-amuse siya sa'yo rito, but kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, this person looks like you, like a candy ang tingin niya sa inyo. No? And I'm seeing a doll, you know doll, no? A Barbie doll right here. So, yung iba talaga yung tingin niya sa inyo rito, no? At nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na magsasawa din siya dito at the end of the road. At ang maiiwanan dito ay walang iba, kundi ikaw. So, this is a warning sign here for you guys. So, kilalanin ninyo mabuti mga babes, no? At mas maganda sana kung purely business lang, yun lang at wala nang iba. Lalo na kung ganitong klase ng katauhan ang inyong kadil. So yeah, thank you so much and beware of this person here. Again, I'm Yan. Thank you. Sarang Heo, love in light. Ano?